Hi everyone, I'm Dave. I'm the founder of HaggisSwap.com. If you're not there already, then please check it out. It's a simple platform to buy, swap, and learn all about crypto. I'm originally from Scotland and I'm now living in Australia with my wife and 2 kids. I've got a first class honours master's in business and I've worked primarily in management consulting for the last 14 years with all of these big companies. I first got into crypto back in 2017. I was chatting to a mate at work who just bought his first Bitcoin. I'd heard of Bitcoin and blockchain technology, but I hadn't actually bought any myself, so he showed me the ropes and I just got involved. So I've been actively engaged in cryptocurrency for the last 5 years or so. It's now the middle of 2022 while I'm filming this. And I've just been fascinated by it, not just by Bitcoin, but the industry as a whole. So blockchain technology and cryptocurrency really does have the potential to completely shape and change our futures. And I'm here to educate you on what I know, and hopefully we can learn more together along the way. So I've sat down with countless friends over the past 5 years and shown them how to create their own wallet, how to buy some cryptocurrency, explained the basics, and it's been a great but repetitive process. So I thought, why not create a simple one-page website to just direct people to and get them involved? So the aim with HaggisSwap.com is threefold. Number 1, you'll be able to create your own wallet. Number 2, you'll be able to buy some crypto. And number 3, you'll be able to swap some crypto. Now this is all there for you to learn on HaggisSwap.com, and it's supported by a tutorials section which goes a bit deeper into other topics. So I have a YouTube channel, I have a TikTok page and an Instagram page, and that's where I'll be posting all of my content. So obviously short form on Instagram and TikTok and some longer form stuff on YouTube. So please subscribe or follow those channels and keep up to date with what's going on as the industry progresses. Crypto and blockchain can be very confusing subjects to a lot of people, especially if you're brand new to it. Please don't feel overwhelmed. The way the videos work is they're detailed. I share my screen a lot and I talk you through things in a simple, logical manner. But that's not to say that you should just get it first time. I didn't get it first time, and you probably won't either if you're brand new to it. So please pause the videos, rewind them, play them again, ask me questions in the comments. If there's anything you're unsure about, there's no silly questions. I will be there to respond to you. So feel free to just drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'd love to eventually expand Haggis Swap into a bit of an online community, and there's various options basically of where I could take it, but for now I'm just keen to share my knowledge, get you educated, and just start some interesting discussions. So if you find all that useful, then please tell all your friends, get everyone onto the website, get them following and subscribing the pages, and most of all, please just enjoy the process. As I said, it can be a bit overwhelming at the beginning, but the more you get into it, the more second nature this will become and the more exciting it'll become. So please just enjoy and chat to you soon.